How to check system secure boot status on your Windows. In this video, we will know that step by step. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 7 and other software. So let's start the video. So guys, right click on taskbar and after that guys, click here task manager option. Now click here file option and click here run new task. Now guys, type here in this text box MS Info 32 and check this checkbox. Click here OK. After that guys, scroll down it. Your secure boot is off. If there are on, your secure boot is on, and if there are off, your secure boot state is off. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching.